Welcome to the Holiday Hustle program. I want to go over a few app features to make sure that you're set up for success. We're going to cover program resources, workouts, and messaging. For program resources, click on the kettlebell icon at the bottom of your main app screen. Here you will find a link to the program guide, starter kit details, and overview videos of the workouts. Speaking of workouts, this program has 30 themed workouts, each about 30 minutes in length. They are assigned to you in order on your calendar, but you can always drag workouts to another day or select one from the menu. You will notice most workouts are overview videos with full details and the instructions at the top. Every 6th day, you'll see Holiday Hustle workouts. These are full-length videos where you will follow along with me, Coach Lowe, and my workout buddies, JJ and Jordan. Make sure you set aside about 45 minutes on those days for your workouts. When it comes to communication, this program does have some automated messages designed to keep you engaged over the next 30 days. We will have videos on navigating social gatherings, travel tips, and healthy holiday recipe swaps. Beyond the automated messages, we do have a team of coaches here to support you, so don't hesitate to reach out. Lastly, I want to point out the 3 dots on your main app screen. Here, you will be able to update your profile and settings, track meals, and sync compatible external devices. Hope this video was helpful on how to best navigate the app to ensure success this season. And happy holiday hustling.